we have explored everything in Seoul. So we're gonna go suwon. But I'm wearing all white. With my new bag. But we'll see you guys in suwon. We're gonna do this archery thingy because it's only 2,000 won. I shot that arrow, guys. I shot it.
Is this yours? No, right?
This is my shot. How the hell? How the hell? Oh, when did I say that before I started filming? I said, she was like, what's this? Patis soup. And I was like, patis soup pinapatulan. It's not funny anymore.
Yes, when you haven't had your moment. Here. Hey guys, so today I did a lot of shopping. Like, I'm not even joking when I say a lot. I really did a lot. So I just want to do a quick little haul because I didn't really vlog today because when I shop I just don't vlog because I'm too focused on the shopping. But this is the Strawberry 8 from 7-Eleven. So good. Anyway, first thing I bought is in New. It's an accessory shop. First thing I got was this hat. This hat is only... Okay, not only. It's like a normal usual price, but I think it was kind of cute because I can't really find hats that look like this on me. But it just says Monday Gallery. It's just a plain black hat. Ta-da! Because you know why? I don't have any black hats at all. The next few things are like gifts for people, so I can't really show it to you guys because I don't know if by the time this vlog is up, I'll be giving it to them already. I can't show it to you, but anyway. This is a gift, but this is for my sister, but I'm paying for it because, yeah. And then here, I got some jewelry. First, I got this little ribbon ring. Ta-da! And it was only 4,000 won. And I got this other ring with this gorgeous design, also 4,000 won. And lastly, I got this little bracelet. It has little hearts on it and it's just silver. I bought all silver because I think silver looks the best on me. So I will never do color analysis because I do not want to know whether silver looks good on me or not. But the only downside is that I'm not sure if this is silver 925. The bare minimum, it has to be a silver 925 for me because I wash my hands with my jewelry a lot. Like, I don't like to take it off. I found it such a hassle. Next thing I got 2 claw clips because the claw clips that I got, that I have now, is rusting. So I just got 2 new ones. I only wanted to buy one actually, but they were so cute, so I couldn't resist. This first one is just like a regular black claw clip, 4,000 won. Then this one is the shape of a ribbon, also 4,000 won, right? Oh, it's 3,500. Last thing that I got from that shop is this earring. This is for my sister. Then let's move on to my Daiso haul. First thing that I got, this is a lanyard for work because my lanyard at work right now is like broken, like completely broken. So I needed to buy a new one. Then next, this thing. I've been seeing this on TikTok and I've been wanting to buy it, and I just passed by it in Daiso just now. It's a cable holder. You can attach it to like there at the side of your table. Then you can just let the cable hang. And I wanted this so bad because I swear, wires annoy me the most and I just want it to be neat. So I got this. Next thing I got, new fairy lights because the fairy lights sticking around my room right now is like dead. Then this is food containers for my daughter's breakfast. And then I got a UV nail setter. I got 2 new photo booth strip holders. And then I got like 8 pieces of this modeling mask pack. One is Sika, 2 is Sika, 2 is vitamin C, 2 is charcoal, and 2 is this. And then I think that's all I got. We're at the drop, guys. I'm the one paying for the meal today. Strawberry latte with a variety of mixtures actually. This is the hash brown. We're gonna hike up Namsan to go to Namsan Tower. Day 10 in Korea. I've learned the ways of full black. It's gorgeous, but I'd rather just stay here and admire the view than go up.
Tulong ko pati. Toyo na malamdaw. Soup.
Found random boxes for K-pop. Maybe all bought one. She got Blackpink, got NCT, the Seraphim.
Very interesting.
What?
Alright, so I got time to show the family first. I
What?
got Lisa
And
Rosy's first album.
Ganun na naman.
Yeah. It felt
You got 3. Their albums are small though, so maybe that's why it's light. But they have a lot of things in their album.
So I got my favorite member. Yoonjin.
Oh, you like Yoonjin?
And their newest album.
Oh.
So first one is their newest album that I almost bought. But I bought it. And then the next one is their second newest album. And it's both NCT Dream.
엄청 큰 딸기. Eh, this one is already bitten.
Charge kung di sa bakal. Ito, hawakan mo itong bitana.
Oh my gosh.
Ano video? Kaya ito.
I didn't tell you. It's the picture. I said photo.
Hindi na namin sinabi kasi nga, alam niya dati kasi wala.
Just say information.
Oh, ganito pala yun.
Meron pa niya konti.